Good morning.
Hi.
She made it to work on time.
I did. 3 minutes early, guys. 3 minutes.
She kind of knew we were going to do this, so yeah. So one thing really quick, when we had talked yesterday, before, about the dumpster diving, this is how we're doing it. If you are ordering diamond candy or dumpster diving, you're just going to get both patterns. So it really is the same pattern, but one finish is just a little bit different, and we thought that it would be less confusing. So this is the way they're packaged. So if you've ordered one or the other, you'll get both.
So question, am I gonna, when I get the download to do them, and when they buy dumpster diving or diamond candy, they'll download both patterns?
They'll get both. Okay. So if you order diamond candy, you'll get both. If you order dumpster diving, you'll get both.
In download or in print?
Yes.
Awesome. Okay.
Yes. All right. So, all right. So Brianna's gonna start opening with scissors. We really don't have a cutter.
These are left-handed scissors, so.
Oh yeah, we don't like left-handed scissors.
There's no lefties.
If you're left-handed and you come in, ask for those. We're gonna give them to you because they hurt our hands. All right. She's gonna start opening. I'm gonna show you the two that I pre-opened because I knew what they were. So this is a cuddle kit. It's a Minky Cuddle Kit, and this makes. I'll flip this around. This is all of that animal print. We have a sample in here made up of this, and we've had people ask, and it's like, oh no, they don't make it anymore. They just started recutting them because they cut these at the factory for us, which is really nice. So we have not very many. I think we have only 3 of these. And Brianna, what are these? These are like $49. I'll bet they're less. Maybe. We should know. We don't know. It's, what does it include in it? It includes the 10-inch strips and the binding and the pattern.
For how big of a quilt?
58 by 68.
Yeah, maybe $60, maybe 50.
We're gonna make a decision. We're gonna say $45.
Okay. When I put it on, now, you guys need to know none of this is online yet.
It's not online yet.
So
we're gonna do $45. We're gonna have it on sale through the weekend. It won't still be here. On Monday, we're going to put it back up to its regular price. So $45. And then there's a second one. This one also has been in the store before. We sold out of this one also. We ordered 12 before, sold out promptly. We have 6 only of these, and it makes this one. So it has the, isn't that cute? It's fantastic. And that's what's in it. 58 by 68. We'll do this one also for $45. While those last, she'll get those on. The other thing, while she's opening, flannel?
yes, Farmhouse Flannel. So if you guys are all confused about all the Farmhouse collections we have, there's another one.
Oh my gosh, modern farmhouse, farmhouse chic. Everything is urban farmhouse. I don't know why people could not come up with a better name than farmhouse. So this is farmhouse?
Yeah, Farmhouse Flannels.
Damn it. Yeah, just when you thought you knew.
And they're kind of a navy and black print. So I don't know how you're seeing it on the camera, but.
And this is going to be how much per yard?
$10.50. $10.70.
$10.70 a yard. And these are pretty good sized bolts.
Yeah, these are full size bolts, 15 yards. So if you're looking for a really cool bag.
Look at that one.
That one's really pretty.
That's black with a little kind of creamy.
I love this one.
Oh. That's super nice.
That one reads gray because of how much of the cream and
it's kind of taupey. I'm gonna put these on so they don't. Oh no, go ahead, put that one on. Oh, that one's nice. Can you see that? That's kind of a little
almost black on black
check print.
Oh, my nails are super nasty. I should have taken my nail polish off. I always feel when I have chipped nails, it's like, oh, so cheap. But
such a cheap girl.
I know.
He's in those red shoes.
Oh man,
little stripe. Oh, and then is that one? Are those flannel also?
No, this is Clothworks. This is Let Nature Sing.
Oh.
It's a little Christmas line.
Oh gosh, that's beautiful. Now that's goldy, but it's not metallic. It's just a really pretty kind of almost taupey color. Oh, and Clothworks has such a nice feel. And there's a subtle little snowflake in there.
That's
I don't know if you can see that.
It's very kind of a farmhousey texture. The red's a bit bright for what we know as a farmhouse, a farm red.
Ooh, and that again, it's not metallic. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, and this is, farmhouse red. Not bright. Oh, look at that one.
Oh, look at the deer.
Oh, there's that deer.
That's cool.
Ooh, this is not a big bolt. Brianna, can you see at the end
These
how
are
many?
littles. These
are
10
tiny.
yards.
Oh no.
This is it, guys.
Oh.
Which means we bought the whole collection.
Mm-hmm. So we bought all of it.
Oh,
So
wait. I remember this one. This one.
Panel.
We ordered this one. We were walking through market and we saw the quote and we texted our rep, hey, hook us up.
Hook us up.
So this is panel number 1. There's a piece of tape on it.
Oh. Oh yeah. Let me take that off.
Oh, is it right in the middle?
Oh.
Sorry, guys.
Oh man. Oh,
That
that's
is awesome.
beautiful. Silent night. Little deer there. Brianna, can we see your face back there?
Great.
Peace on earth, goodwill to all. And what's this one down here? Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh, that's just beautiful. I can't. Do we only get one bolt of the panel? Oh, and then there's Oh, and that one's even different.
Yeah, this one looks like it's.
Oh, this will not be here by Monday. I'm just gonna say. That's
this
crazy.
one's super cool.
Oh.
This would be perfect for placemats or.
And just remember, we can't order more. I don't know if you guys understand that that's how it works. We order this fabric 6 to 8 months ahead of time. So if we sell out, we sell out.
Be
It's
really
gone.
cute mug rugs.
Oh my gosh.
Pot holders.
Oh, look how beautiful. And I'll bet they've got some ideas of different things that they did. Oh, hold that back up. She's still trying to make it to the bottom.
These big ones would be a really cool crumb cake.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's beautiful. I love the colors. It's just so subtle.
So this is, again, when it gets up,
What's the name of it again?
Let Nature Sing by Clockwork.
Let Nature Sing. Brianna is going to prop herself over at the computer and get this up. So, so just keep checking back. And are you going to Facebook it when it's up?
Yes, I will. I'll
So
Facebook with the link.
as she gets collections up, she'll link it.
This is Summersville from Maywood Studios. A very bright floral. What is this flower? A lily? Is it
A lily? I'm going to say it's a lily.
It's really pretty.
It is pretty. It's nice and bright.
Something springy to go with all that Christmas we're getting.
That's a good stripe.
I love that stripe.
And a lot of people, this peachy color, people ask for this all the time.
A really good border
Nice
price.
border. Oh, a good white on white.
White on white.
Oh, that's a good green. That's pretty. And another
So they're really
one.
pretty. Nice
And
and
the
bright.
name of it
floral.
again?
Summersville.
Summersville. So as she gets this one on, she will do a little Facebook message and say it's up. That border one, that would make that good table runner. It really makes so much of. And then while she's opening that box, I'm going to show you these. This was another pre-box that I opened. These are jelly rolls from Northcott. And so aren't these beautiful? These are shimmer. So there's a little bit of, and that is a metallic gold. So it is shiny. And there's 40 strips. And so there's this really pretty purple one and this really pretty peachy pinky one. It's really almost, I think, more peach than pink is what I would say. But 2 new colors, and these will be online. And there's patterns on the back that are kind of fun.
Okay, this is
And no, the Christmas panels are not flannel. None of that Christmas was flannel. It was all cotton.
Just the black stuff was flannel.
yeah. The Farmhouse Flannels, the black is everything else is just cotton. This reminds me of who's the Riley Blake designer?
Yeah.
Yes,
Lori Holtz.
Lori Holtz. This
Holtz.
is not her, but it looks a lot like her. This is a Backyard Blooms.
And this color,
I
can you
remember
see this
this.
color? It's sort of it's a red, but it's like a paley red. And it is, yeah, it's a Lori Holt color. Brianna's exactly right. It's a
This
funny
is
red.
this is Allison Harris. So this is the Wyndham of lookalike, but
Yeah.
different. I mean, she doesn't do the chicken.
This color. Oh, I remember this.
Yeah, this is the one
the
that-
chickens.
we were
ordered the
harassing.
whole-
Yeah,
I
we were
think we ordered the
harassing
whole
Danielle
line.
about it.
Yes, about the chickens.
We loved it all.
Yeah, that's right. And we were talking about that. Everybody with their chickens in their kitchens. And this says, do you see the words? If I would hold it still. Oh, and now I can't read it upside down.
I can't,
Happy, bloom, shine.
memories grow, joy.
Backyard family.
Inspire.
Aww.
Cute.
Super nice. Yeah.
And the floral.
Oh,
It
this is
comes
fantastic. It's
in
almost like a 50s floral, isn't it?
An
It's just
aqua,
bright.
a blue, and a white background.
There's the aqua one. We're not gonna have enough room. It's a big line. Oh, look at the blue. Oh my gosh. That is a farmhouse. Oh, and this one is not called farmhouse though, is it?
No, it's not. Dang. Backyard blooms.
Backyard blooms. Oh, that's nice. Can you guys see it in the plastic? That one pretty. Oh, this one is pretty. Look at this one. That is a great blue. That would just go with everything. Oh, look at this one. It's just so happy. It's just a happy, happy collection. Humongous collection. So we have all of them. Every piece. Only in 10 yards. 10 yards of each one. I know there's more chickens. Sorry, look at this line. Oh, no, is that it?
What's in there?
No, there was more chickens.
Maybe they weren't
Maybe
available.
not. And I could be wrong.
So at
Because-
the moment, that's what I have of
Backyard blooms.
backyard blooms.
Backyard blooms.
Very makes me think of Lori Holtz. I don't
Lori
exactly
Holt.
know if the colors are gonna match, but it's that
This
bright
is
green,
absolutely
that
that
teal.
color. Yeah, the teal, that
Bright
funny, that different red. Yeah, just nice and fresh. Kind of fun. We've blocked you in, Brittany. Okay. Oh, this is fun. Oh, I remember this one. Oh, wait, that one's
this.
different.
This is different. This is something new. This is Wish. It looks like
I don't know what
Wish
this one
by Carrie Bloomston. I'm not sure this. I don't remember.
I feel like I don't remember this.
I don't either.
I don't know what
kinda
this one
cool.
is.
I don't either. A cool little.
This could be somebody else's box.
Sports
There's a
shirt.
fabric patch in,
It could be.
where are they? Missouri, Michigan, Wisconsin.
That's a beautiful paint.
This could be their fabric. But now that we've touched it, it belongs to us.
Ooh, look at
Yeah, I
that
don't know
cute
what this
elephants with music notes on it.
Oh, that's fun.
That's kind of cool.
I almost feel like we should turn it. And then what is that, like a carousel? Where are the music notes?
It's the print on the elephant.
Oh, is music.
That's kinda cool.
Oh, I see it. It's kind of collagey.
Yeah.
I totally do not remember this.
No, neither do I.
When we ordered it. Yeah, that's what happens. Didn't have enough coffee that morning. Oh, this is fun.
Okay.
I know this one.
This was a cool one. This one is across the U.S.
Wait, what was the name of this one?
Wish.
Wish. This one is called Wish, and it's tiny. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's only 5 pieces to that.
It'll probably end up in the novelty section, but if you search Wish, this will be one of
Yeah,
the ones that pop
but
up.
like, look at that pink.
Yeah.
That's just a really nice, almost painty.
Tonal.
Yeah, tonal piece. That's really nice. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. This one,
Fun.
across the USA, so that has all the states on there.
And all of our cottons are what? 10, 15 a yard?
10-15. Yeah.
10, 15 a yard.
And the really fun thing about this one is it's kind of typed out in the shape of the state,
Idaho.
which is super cool. So,
Nebraska. Oh, Tennessee. Iowa. Maybe this will help us to know the difference between Iowa and Ohio. Thinking of you, Mike. He still doesn't have power. Washington. Oh, yeah. That's fantastic. That's cute. Oh, that's
Awesome,
a fantastic plaid.
awesome plaids.
That's Grandpa's shirt right there. Oh, that's a great plaid. That's fantastic.
And then the states come in 2 more colors.
2 more
A
colors.
cream and more of like a denim
Blue
blue.
background. With some bright. And then this is the denim one. I mean the tan.
And we got some mountain peaks in 3 colorways.
Oh, very nice. Ooh, look at the
A
blue.
good just texture too. A little more directional. But
It could be teeth if you put it on
oh,
like that.
chompers. Yes. Shark teeth.
Shark teeth
Dino teeth.
or trees. Depends on what state you're
Yeah. Trees, mountains, sharks.
Sharks.
Yeah.
Dinosaurs.
Very cool.
All right,
So
that's all the boxes?
That is all of them. So
All right, and what was the name of this one again?
Across the USA.
Across the USA.
Wish.
It's a test.
Oh.
Backyard blooms.
Yes, backyard blooms. Summersville.
Shimmer.
The flannels are Farmhouse
Flannels.
And Let Nature Sing
Let
is
Nature
the Christmas line with the 2 panels.
And 2 Minky Kits.
And a huge mess.
And recycling.
Okay,
Alright, you guys.
and that's it. Bye, guys.
See you later.